Mom! Are you upstairs? Please come to my bedroom quickly! Where is it? Oh! It has to be here! Oh! No! Where did it go?
I am coming, Leo. What is the matter? What's wrong?
Huh?
Why are you shouting so early in the morning? It's gonna be all right, sweetheart. You'll be great.
Thanks, Mom. It's too tight. Let me help you. But I cannot find my red backpack.
Oh, honey, let's look together.
Mom, my desk is completely empty. I don't know what to do. Oh. I put it right next to my desk. But now, it is completely gone.
Calm down, sweetie. Please do not panic. Let me help you find it right now. Leo? Are you in here?
Mommy, here I am.
Are you sure it is not under the bed?
Oh, wait, I think you're right. I already checked under there 2 times. I only saw my old running shoes.
How about inside your big white closet?
I opened the closet doors already. There are only my clean clothes inside.
Where is everything? I don't know, Leo. I don't know.
My backpack is definitely not in this room.
Okay, let us think about this very carefully. Where did you play yesterday afternoon?
I played in the park, Mom.
I was watching television in the living room. Oh, Haidulai. Arkat. Maybe you left it on the yellow sofa. Let us go downstairs and check right now.
Yay!
Come on, Leo, we can't miss it!
Hurry, Mom. I am running down the stairs. I hope it is in the living room. I really do not want to be late. Good morning, sweetheart. Morning, Mom. Look at my backpack.
Do not run too fast. You might fall. All right, look around the sofa, Leo.
I am picking up all the small pillows. Found it. Wait, I feel something soft and heavy. Oh, it is just my brown teddy bear. That is not your backpack. Put it back.
Oh, I see. Okay. I wonder what's under here. Ah, found you. Oh. Let me look under the glass coffee table. Ah. It is a little bit dark down here. I only see your toy cars and blocks.
I forgot my backpack. I forgot it. Where can it be? Where can it be? This is a disaster. The big yellow school bus will arrive soon.
We still have some time, do not worry. I almost forgot. It's Tuesday. Did you take it into the kitchen yesterday?
I ate some chocolate cookies after school. Maybe I brought it into the kitchen with me. Come on, Leo, we're gonna be late.
Hurry, Mom, I'm right behind you. Let us go to the kitchen then. Dad is making our healthy breakfast right now.
Dad!
Dad, are you here? Good morning, everyone.
Did you see my beautiful red backpack?
Yes, I did. I put it right by the door for you.
Yay, thank you, Dad.
Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, my lovely wife.
What are you two looking for so early? You got this, bud. Thanks, Dad.
I'm ready.
Go get him, champ.
My red backpack is missing, Dad.
Have you seen it anywhere in the kitchen?
Oh, wait, I think it's over there. Now, I am busy frying some eggs right now. And I am pouring the fresh white milk. I did not see any backpack in here.
Oh no! This is terrible news! I don't want to go to school! I need all my storybooks for today!
Let me check inside the big fridge. Sometimes we put very silly things inside it.
There is only fresh food in the fridge.
I know, that's great. You never know. I am checking anyway. It's definitely not next to the apples in here. No, it is definitely not next to the apples. Good morning, sleepyhead.
Mom, I'm late!
Only if you're too slow eating your breakfast.
Let me look behind these wooden dining chairs. Oh. Aha! Got it! It is completely empty here, too. I am going to cry, Mom.
Oh, sweetie, what's wrong?
I lost my favorite toy.
It's okay, we'll find it together.
I will be late for my favorite English class. Don't worry, honey. We'll get you there on time.
Come here, Leo. Give me a big hug.
Oh.
Take a deep breath. Everything will be okay.
I made pancakes. Oh, David, they look wonderful.
Can we eat them now? Why is my brave boy crying today? About. Did you lose your favorite toy again? Daddy?
Yes, buddy? No, Dad. It is much worse than that. I lost my red school backpack.
I just don't know what else to do.
It's gonna be okay.
We looked everywhere in the whole house. It is completely gone, David.
All right, breakfast is ready.
Ah, that looks delicious, dear.
Can we eat now? You mean the bright red backpack?
Yes, that one. Where is it?
The one with the small blue pocket?
Wow. That's amazing. Yes, that is exactly the right one. Please tell me you know where it is.
Oh, you are too much.
Did I do it right?
Perfect, absolutely perfect.
You two are so funny.
Please come with me to the front door. All right, here we go.
I wonder what's waiting outside.
Why are we going to the front door? There's something important I want you to see first. Ran. The backpack is not outside.
All right, Leo, look out there.
Wow.
That's our new car. Ready to go to school?
Yep.
Look closely through the glass window, Leo. What do you see inside our family car?
Wow. Oh, wait. Oh, yes. I see it. It's here. Wow. Wow. I can see my red backpack. It is sitting on the back seat. It looks so safe and perfectly fine.
Is the car making that sound? I don't know, Mom. What's wrong with it? How did it get inside the car? Did a magic fairy move it outside? We did not even go outside today. I think that's the best one yet.
It certainly is. Haha. I put it in the car last night. I wanted to save some time this morning. Now we can drive to school very fast. Welcome home, champ! Dad, I missed you so much! You are the best dad in the world!
Thank you so much for helping me.
Oh, thank goodness you're here.
We missed you, Mom.
We were so worried for nothing. Let us eat our breakfast quickly now. You need energy for your English class, Leo.
Dad, I'm here. Look at all this food.
Hey there, sleepyhead! Ready for a big breakfast?
The fried eggs and milk are ready.
Let us enjoy our delicious morning meal.
Nah. Yeah, nah. I am so happy and very hungry too. Today is going to be a great day. I will tell my friends this funny story. Okay, listen closely. Ha!
I made your favorite. You're the best, my love. We hope you enjoyed our little morning adventure. Malfunchokta. I popapai. Do you often forget things in the morning? Yai, teleon, featherance barfas. Tell us in the comments below.
I'm here. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. Please like this video and subscribe to Easy English. See you in the next fun story.